Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Bionaire Humidifier Filter is probably one of the most important parts of your humidifier, ensuring clean, healthy moisture for your home. In this video, we will explore everything you need to know about Bionaire Humidifier Filter replacements, from understanding the importance of regular replacements to identifying the right filter for your model and learning simple steps for a quick and efficient replacement process, so you can enjoy the benefits of a properly functioning humidifier. Number 5. HQRP Bionaire Humidifier Filter. These filters are designed to perfectly fit your Bionaire humidifier, ensuring optimal performance and a healthier home environment. They're easy to install and replace. They're made from high-quality materials for superior absorbency and moisture output. This ensures efficient humidification and cleaner air. These filters remove mineral deposits and pollutants from the water before they're released into the air, improving the overall air quality in your home. By increasing humidity levels, it helps to ease respiratory issues and creates a more comfortable atmosphere for everyone. Breathe easier and sleep better. The reinforced mesh paper and added aluminum layer extend the filter's life, reducing sagging and ensuring consistent performance. Change them every 30 days for best results. An outer layer of activated carbon helps to combat odors, leaving your home smelling fresh and clean. Enjoy healthier, more pleasant air to breathe. It's compatible with a wide range of Bionaire humidifier models, including the BCM 630, BCM 730, BCM 645, and many more. Check the packaging for a full list. What we like? It has an outer layer of activated carbon to eliminate odors and improve air quality. If you are concerned about air quality and want a cost-effective option, this is a great choice. Its aluminum layer extends filter life, saving you money in the long run. What people say? They fit and work perfectly in my machine. These filters serve as replacement filters for my Bionaire humidifier, as I have found the originals are no longer available having a 3-year-old model. These filters fit reasonably well and certainly do what is required. These filters work fine, just like the originals. Number 4. ANTOBLE HWF 100 Humidifier Filter. This is a Type E humidifier filter, compatible with various models from Homes, Bionaire, and Sunbeam. It's designed to replace your old filter and keep your humidifier running smoothly. It works with a wide range of humidifier models, ensuring a perfect fit for your needs. Check the list of compatible models to confirm it's right for you. This filter boasts an upgraded design. The aluminum foil core extends its lifespan, while activated carbon helps eliminate odors, providing cleaner, healthier air. Replacing your old filter is simple. Just remove the old one and insert this new filter. For optimal performance, use distilled water in your humidifier. This 4-pack provides ample replacements, saving you time and money. It's recommended to change it every 1 to 2 months for peak performance. Breathe easy with cleaner, healthier air. This filter traps minerals from hard water, preventing white dust and ensuring a comfortable environment. What we like? This one comes with an upgraded design, including aluminum foil for extended life and added activated carbon for odor elimination. If you're looking for a great value and longer-lasting filter, this is the one for you. The 4-pack ensures you're always prepared. What people say? Working as expected, I am satisfied with them. Was as good of quality as the original filters. It's the same as the old ones I took out. Fits the same, works fine. Good value. Number 3. Funmit Humidifier Filter E. It's compatible with a wide range of humidifier models from Homes, Bionaire, and Sunbeam. This ensures a perfect fit for your needs. It boasts a reinforced mesh paper construction and advanced lower density structure. This ensures efficient moisture dispersal and longer lifespan. It effectively filters impurities while retaining essential minerals. Enjoy comfortably humidified air, free from white dust. You get 6 filters in a single package. Remember to use distilled water for optimal performance and longevity. We're committed to providing high-quality parts and excellent customer service. Contact us if you have any issues, we're here to help. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace it every 1 to 2 months, depending on usage. This ensures consistent humidification. What we like? It boasts a super craft design with hot glue strips and dense construction for superior performance. If you prioritize value and want the most filters for your money, this 6-pack is unbeatable. It's perfect for those who frequently use their humidifier. What people say. Filters work perfectly and were delivered in great condition and in timely manner. Original replacement pads can't be any better than these aftermarket replacements. They work fine. Less expensive than buying in local stores. We have several humidifiers and use a lot of filters. Number 2. HWF 100 Humidifier Filter 4-pack. This 4-pack of replacement filters is designed for a variety of popular humidifier models. It ensures your home's air stays clean and healthy. It traps water impurities and dissolves solids before they become airborne, improving the air quality in your home. Enjoy cleaner, healthier air. This filter is compatible with many popular humidifier brands, including Homes, Bionaire, and Sunbeam. Check the list of compatible models to see if it fits yours. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace it at least once per season, or more often depending on usage and air quality. This ensures consistent, effective humidification. Replacing it is quick and easy. Simply remove the old filter and install the new one. It's that simple. With this filter, you can breathe easier knowing that your humidifier is providing clean, healthy moisture to your home. Invest in your family's well-being. What we like. This filter effectively traps water impurities before they become airborne. If you want a simple, effective solution to keep your air clean, this is a great choice. It's easy to install and maintain, making it perfect for busy individuals. What people say. The filter fit the humidifier good. Filters work as it should. Everything lines up perfectly, same size and construction as the originals. Product fit perfect and works as described. Number 1. Funmit Humidifier Filter Replacement. It's compatible with a wide range of humidifier models from Homes, Bionaire, and Sunbeam. This ensures a perfect fit for your needs. It boasts hot glue strips and a dense construction using high-quality materials. This ensures durability and optimal performance. It effectively filters impurities while retaining essential minerals. Enjoy clean, comfortable humidity without the white dust. You get 4 filters in each pack. Remember to use distilled water for longer filter life and optimal performance. We're committed to providing high-quality parts and excellent service. Contact our customer service team if you have any issues. For optimal performance, replace it every 1 to 2 months, depending on usage. Soaking it in water before use ensures smooth operation. What we like. It's made with high-quality materials and is identical to the original filter. If you value reliability and want a filter that performs just like the original, this is a safe bet. It's a great option for those who want peace of mind. What people say. The filters fit perfectly and are performing as expected. Works just like the original equipment, very good. They fit my humidifier perfectly and were easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.